New cinematic mission, another day, another tower. Today we're going to old fire tower in the middle of the woods. We're here out in the woods somewhere. Let's go. The weather is fine today. Look at that sun. The only problem is there is no road to this place. So I'm gonna have to walk through this to get there. I see something over there behind those trees. Can go inside. No windows though, so there's no inside. Roof is a little bit low. It's actually a wee bit cold on the fingers. I do have this pouch where you put your radio inside and then you can be warm and cozy. Perfect landing. The sun is going down over there, so I'm gonna pack up and leave. Gotta hike back through the woods again. Bye bye tower. This is my little track in the woods where I came from. Time to go back. Should be easier to go back, right? Made it back through the woods. Look at that sky. Hello, branch. My whole leg is inside the snow. Oh! Oh! All the way down there. I made it. I will call that mission successful. Goodbye.